Now, this is how you can set any browser as your default browser in Windows 11. With this same method, you can also do it in Windows 10 as well. So to set any browser as your default browser, all you need to do is come over to your system. There are two ways you can do this. First is by clicking on settings, typing settings in your system, and opening the setting. Once you open the setting, on the left-hand corner here, navigate to app. Once you click on app, you navigate to default apps. Okay. Now, this is how you can arrive to default apps. Apart from that, you can also go to your search bar and just type default apps. Okay. And just click on default apps and it will take you straight to this particular point. Now, for you to set any browser as your default browser, all you need to do is come over here and type the browser name, like Chrome. Okay, this is Chrome. Now click on Chrome. Once you click on Chrome, you can see default app, Chrome and other browser that is installed in your system will be shown here. All right, you can see down here, you see Opera Firefox. So what you need to do is for you to set as your default browser. But meanwhile, bear in mind that, let me zoom this. Okay, I can zoom this. Now, bear in mind that you can also set Chrome to do a specific thing. Maybe when you click a link, Chrome is going to open it. You guys can see here, set default file type or link types. Okay, so you can also set Chrome to open this particular file type and set Microsoft Edge to open another file type. All right. Now, for you to do this, all you need to do, come over here and click on this particular icon. Click here and it's going to open. Opera is here, Firefox is here, Chrome is here, Microsoft Edge is here. These are the browsers that I have in my system. I know when you select and click and set default, that is the browser that is going to be opening this kind of file. The same thing happens to this and this and this. So assuming you want to be opening anything that has to do with HTTP, which is link, this is HTTP. You can see my HTTP is set on default to open with Microsoft Edge. Now, if you come over here and click on this icon, it's going to list, you see HTTP. Now, it has listed both the default one, which is Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera. If there's any other browser that is also installed in this system, it's going to show in this list. So anyone you double click, you click here and set, you see, anything HTTP is going to be opening with Chrome. The same thing, HTTPS. I don't want anything HTTP to open with Chrome because HTTP is not a secure link. So anything HTTP should open with Firefox. Okay? Now HTTPS should open with Microsoft Edge. So you can set all these things to open with different browser depending on what you want to do. You can see MMS, SMS, tel, web call. Do you understand? If you have any application that's used in making like VIOP, like Ringa or Ringa, and you want to be calling, anytime you call with Ringa, it opens with a particular browser. All you need to do is just click here and select the browser here or any application that you want it to open with. So with this, you can set any browser that you want as your default browser. Here is Chrome. I can come over here and say, change it to Microsoft Edge. Set, you can see it has changed to Microsoft Edge. Then anything that has to open with this, also change it to Microsoft Edge. Click OK. All of them are now set to be opened with Microsoft Edge. So this is exactly how you can set any browser as your default browser. It's quite very easy. Like I said, open setting, navigate to app, default app, or just type default app on your system and it's going to open the default app where you're going to do all these changes. So this is just what I want to share in this video. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuike Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in a daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my video, make sure you hit the subscription button and make sure you toggle on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.